Hello guys, how are you? I believe everything is going fine. As you know, this is our crash program regarding the cryptocurrency and especially for the newcomers and also for the professionals. As we already told you, the newcomers on this platform, we suggest to them they should go back and visit my previous videos where I discussed everything regarding the basics of the cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, and how it works, and what kind of the technology is running behind the cryptocurrency. And if they want to start their own trading on in cryptocurrency online, they should visit my previous videos and do their own R&D, research and development from different platforms, so they can easily understand what is actually cryptocurrency is nowadays. As you know, this is a hot topic nowadays globally. So everybody asks about the cryptocurrency and what is cryptocurrency. So I have discussed everything in this platform. So guys, today video is going a little bit long. You know, I today topic, as you know, me and my team always try to give you the best knowledge and update knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency. So our today topic is uh, about what are the advantages and disadvantages of the blockchain. So, sorry, as I always request you guys to promote this channel, please do subscribe, like, and check bell icon to promote this platform for the other people for the educational purpose. So, guys, as you know, in previous videos, me and my team trying our best to give you the at least better knowledge as per my understanding, as per my R&D, to give you some good knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency. So this effort is going on, and I will try my best to give you the best knowledge regarding this cryptocurrency, what's going on nowadays. So, guys, our today topic, as I already told you, what are the advantages and disadvantages for blockchain. So let's move to the. I made some notes in Word file. So let me open this bullet points which I have in Word file. So let me open this one. Okay, this is I have a some advantages and disadvantages of a blockchain. So let me explain these bullet points, these advantages. First, we go to the advantages of the blockchain, and then we go with for the disadvantages of the blockchain. So guys, I already told you this is a little bit long video, might be above than 10 minutes or wait of 15, 16, 17 minutes. So be patient and listen carefully. Uh, so guys, in advantages of a blockchain, let me discuss. The first point is no single point required. So as you know, if we talk about first, you have some idea about the centralized and decentralized networks. As you know, cryptocurrency blockchain is a totally decentralized environment. This that nature of the blockchain network is decentralized. I mean, there is no centralized point here as compared to the other thing. If I let me give you the example. If we talk about the uh, a company where they have the server and they have the other 50 to 16 computer which are attached with the server, and then they can communicate with each other through the server, and the server is controlling all the things. Mean here is a single point chance, there is a chance of single point failure. I mean, if server is going down, mean everything will stop. Mean nobody can communicate with each other without upgrading this without ups the up that particular server. So in other hand, in blockchain, there is no such kind of things. Everybody can communicate. Every node in the network, in the blockchain network, can communicate with each other independently. With there is no, I mean, third party, you can say, or server type device between each of them. So this is the first point. The second point is this: no middle server required. As you know, sometimes if let me give you the example of if we let give you the example if I called Uber taxi. So when I call to a Uber taxi, actually I am not calling directly to the uh, driver number. I am calling actually Uber app, and Uber app is directly managed by the Uber server. So I actually call to the Uber, then Uber server will divert my call to the my nearest Uber driver, and they give me call to him and connect through Uber server with that particular driver. So it means there is a third party. You can say here is a here is a middleman like a uh, Uber. But the Uber what will do in this um, Uber in Uber case, when I call to the Uber and Uber is trying to Uber server will get the nearest taxi driver and he sent to my address. So it means it's handling by the Uber server. But in blockchain, there is no middle server like this. There is might be a chance, and of course, when I go through the Uber server and Uber offering this service, then they will definitely charge some fee on this, and the driver will not get the whole amount which I'm paying to the against this trip. They might be deduct some money in the shape of Uber services fee. So in blockchain, there is no as such, you know, uh, such kind of things. The third one is cost reductions. The same thing, the same example is here. If any in a blockchain, if anybody wants to talk with each other, I mean, if in a blockchain, uh, a person A having a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and wants to transfer to the person B in a network. So there is no middleman. They directly contact with the uh, B and send him. He will get the digital wallet address and send directly to the Bitcoin into his wallet. There is no fee reduction of fee, but it means it's a if there is a on the other hand if you in traditional tra tradition if you do this through any centralized system and like a bank, the bank will, if you transfer any amount to the bank will definitely charge some fee in case of transfer. But in case of blockchain, there is no reduction, there is no charges on it. The fourth one is blockchain is immutable. Whenever any data will come to in a block, as you know, blockchain is the mm, consist of different connected blocks. I mean, blockchain made as blockchain words showing there is a number of blocks which are connected with each other. So in a block there are number of datas in his sub ledger in his local memories. So whenever any sub ledger will update, there is no after sub updating this ledger local ledger, then you any So guys, nobody can change any data which is any data which is which are which block any transactional data which is updated in the subledger of the block. Nobody can change it. Mean nobody can. It's a actually immutable data. There is no chance to update this data after one time update in the block. Nobody can change after updating this data in the block. This is again a fourth advantage of uh, blockchain. Fifth one is it's a blockchain is a open source. Mean it's a open source. Blockchain is a open source. Mean every node can everybody if anybody wants to communicate in the network in with other person he can easily communicate with each other. There is, I mean, if I want to add some data, I want to make the part of the that particular blockchain. I can do it. No, but there is no, authority where where I get the permission first before making the part of this blockchain. So it means it's a open source. So the second thing is disadvantages of the blockchain. Disadvantages of the blockchain is this: verification is required for every transaction. What does it mean? As you know, in a blockchain, when any transaction occur, any transaction pass, so it will be validated by the each of the node of the network. Mean everybody, every node will be first will be validate this transaction, then this transaction will be verified and go forward verified by the each other. Mean uh, this is disadvantages. Uh, everybody, every node will keep this transaction in his local memory and in his ledger to verification verification for this transaction. The second point is there are certain requirements for full nodes. As you know, there are a lot of computers, mean nodes in the blockchains. So there is if you want to make the full node, mean if you full node mean you can do the mining. The miner is a full node, you know. So for the miner, you have to fulfill certain uh, you know uh, you have to fulfill certain requirements of the policies of the blockchains. Mean you have a large number of local memories. When if you want to make the full node, you have to make the full uh, uh, you have to big memory for this node. I mean huge memory of this node for making the full node. The third one is too much consumption of power and electricity. As you know, uh, miner is a full node. You can say full node is a miner. Miner is doing the validation of the transaction. For validation of the transaction, you need mm, you need more power, more electricity, and consumption of more power and more electricity for full node for mining this is required. So here is a point that for full load, you need more power, more electricity. So there is a lot of consumption of the power. So the fourth point which we are going to discuss here is this. It's a storage problem. As we already discussed, in a blockchain, every node is not a full node. Every computer is not a full node. Mean every computer is not going to mining the transactions. and you are not going to mining anything. So mean you are not validate the transaction. So but you are part of the blockchain, right? So if you are the part of the blockchain, but you are not the full node, but again you have the same copy uh, of each transaction like the other nodes. Mean you are actually not a full node, and you are not getting any reward, but you have to keep the whole copy of the uh, transactions in your local memory in your ledger. So it means it's a little bit, disadvantages. I mean, here is a storage problem. You have to have more storage for keeping all these data in your memory. So, guys, this is all about advantages and disadvantages of the blockchain. I believe this is a long video. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.